Good morning or good afternoon. It's Mrs. G, and we are doing number talks today. We started doing subtraction by adding up, one of the new strategies that we're discussing. And this number talks gets turned in. So are you ready? Let me set this to present. Give me a second. All right, so just remember, this number talks gets turned in, and we're using the strategy subtraction by adding up. All right. So here we have 80 minus 69 equals. I want to remind you of your number talk strategies, of your number talks hand signals. So this means that you're thinking. This means you have the difference, which is the answer to your subtraction sentence. And then every finger that you add is the different number of strategies that you have. All right. So we have 80 minus 69. 69 equals. I'm going to use the adding up strategy. And I see that 69 isn't too far away from 70, which is a friendly number. You always want to make yourself a friendly number. So I'm going to do 69 plus 1 equals 70. And I'm just going to highlight my 1 and make it red so that I know I have to use that number to add up to find out what the difference is between 80 and 69. Next, I have 70, so that's my starting number, plus I'm going to think about how I'm going to get to 80. And I know that if I add another 10, that gives me 80. So I'm also going to highlight and turn that 10 red. Next, I'm going to take my digits that are in red. So I have 1 plus 10. That gives me 11. So the difference of 80 take away 69 is 11. So I'm just going to rewrite my original number sentence, which is 80 minus 69, and that is 11. And there's the answer. That's what you got. Great job, mathematicians. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here we have 80 minus 59. So let's show our thinking, our strategies. All right, let's get to solving. So I'm going to start with my original number sentence, which is 80 minus 59. And I'm going to look at how I can best get to 80 by adding up. So I'm going to do 59 plus 1 because we love friendly numbers here. And that's going to give me 60. Once I get to 60, I'm also going to remember to turn that 1 to mark it so that I know that's one of the numbers that I need to add up at the end to figure out what the difference is. So then after I do this part, because I made myself a friendly number, I'm going to think about how I can get to 80. So I have 60 here. And remember that last strategy of adding up in chunks? So I'm going to add up in tens up until I get to 80. So I have 60 plus 10, and that gives me 70. I'm going to highlight this 10 as well so that I know I have to work with that at the end. I'm starting at 70. I'm going to add another 10. And this gives me 80. So I'm going to also highlight this additional 10. Now I have to add up my digits that are in red. So I have 1 plus 10 plus 10. And that gives me 21. I'm going to rewrite my number sentence, my original number sentence of 80 minus 59, and that gives me 21 as my final answer. That is the difference. You got that too, right? I wonder if this strategy is helping you guys. Let's try another one. Here we have 80 minus 49. Again, I'm thinking all right, are you ready? So again, I'm going to start with my original number sentence, which is 80 take away 49. Ooh, I put plus. Oopsie. Next, I'm going to turn my 49 into a friendly number. So 49 plus 1 gives me 50. After that, I'm going to start with 50 plus, let's go with 20. That's still a friendly number. It's easier for me to add. So I have 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. I still haven't gotten to the 80 that I wanted, so I haven't added up enough. And I realized that I forgot to highlight the numbers that I'm adding. So I'm going to do that now. I'm at 70. So 70 plus 10 equals 80. I'm going to highlight this as well, because these are the numbers that are going to help me get to my difference. You can use any number combination here as long as you don't pass 80 to use the adding up strategy. So now I'm going to add up all the numbers that I have in red. So 1 plus 20 plus 10. That gives me 31. I'm going to rewrite my number sentence. Let me just move this box up so I can make this box a little larger. So I'm rewriting my number sentence, my original subtraction number sentence. So I have 80 minus 49 equals 31. That's what you got. Great job. All right. Are you ready for your last one? All righty. 80 take away 39. Show the thinking, the strategies. All right. So I'm going to start by writing my original number sentence. And that is 80 minus 39 equals. I'm going to make myself a friendly number. Again, this is the land of friendly numbers. We love those. So 39 plus 1 equals 40. Here, I'm going to think about my double stacks. I know, forgot. It's really important that you remember to make a note of, or highlight, or underline, or circle, or box in the digits that you're adding to help you remember that those are the digits you need to add up in order to get your difference at the end. So here I have 40. I'm going to remember my double stacks, which is one of the strategies that we should have touched on during number talks. So I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to just make it into a tens place by making it 40 plus 40. 40 plus 40 equals 80. I'm going to highlight this 40 so that I know to add it now at the end. So I have 80 plus 1. I lied. I'm sorry. I was right the first time. 40 plus 1, sorry guys, equals 41 as my difference. So I'm going to rewrite my original number sentence. 80 minus 39 equals 41. And there are many different combinations that you can use to get your difference by adding up. You don't have to start at 40. You can add up 5 at a time, 10 at a time. So it depends what's easiest for you. All right, friends. Nice doing number talks this time again. See you soon. Bye.